Alright, just doing a quick video. I installed the Noctua D15. That's my Corsair 600T. My little setup. Alright, let's take a look at this. So it's a 980 Ti and the D15. So it's very quiet. It's going at full speed. I didn't put in the resistant adapter cables that came with it. So even at full speed, it's quiet. And the noise you're hearing, if you hear anything at all, is probably what do you call it? This thing. So now the case fans are down. And it's still a little bit of noise, but it's like air blowing, so it's not even. And my temps aren't all too different from a Hyper 212 Plus, but I noticed that they are different on load. Like this thing, when playing games, doesn't even do 61 Celsius, so it goes to like 59. But that's about it. When I was using the Hyper, I was getting like 55 to 75, like randomly in certain games like Crisis 3, which uses a lot of CPU at 1080p, and like the grassy scenes. But yeah, so I'm just doing. Like I have a setup where I could switch from the computer monitors to the TV, and also I have a projector, but I don't use it that much because. All right, that's it.